said mainly during the intifada in Palestine, some people are killed there by the Jews, and the local people, they bury them and they take them as martyrs. They do not wash them before the burials, even they do not wrap them in the coffin.
Wash them before the burial?
No. They say they are martyrs.
Yes. See, as far as those who are wounded in the war or in accidents, I think whether they are martyrs or not martyrs, perhaps washing will not do good to the corpse. And perhaps like that they are buried. If you believe somebody to be a martyr, if you believe somebody to have given his life in the path of God, for the sake of Allah, there is no harm whatsoever to consider him to be a martyr and treat him as a martyr. I don't see any harm whatsoever. Why should we? At least these people, some of them may not be technically martyrs, but they have given up their life for the sake of God, as they believe, as they have been told by the mullahs. So if they treat them as martyrs, let them. Why not? At least they are brave people. What they thought right, they gave up their life for that. This is martyrdom. The question of somebody being true martyr will only be decided by Allah. We must not interfere. Otherwise, there will be big chaos and big infight in the world of Islam. Look at the Iranians when they fought Iraqis. Every Iranian which died was a martyr. And look at the Iraqis. Every Iraqi which died was a martyr. How could both opposing armies both be martyrs? So we should not take up this schedule unnecessarily for anyone. We should neither side with Iranian nor Iraqis. Let them treat their dead with respect, and they have every right to treat them as martyrs. Both Iranians have a right and the Iraqis have a right. So let them treat them as such. We don't object. But Allah will decide whether one was martyr or the other one, or whether none of them was martyr. It will be Allah's decision.